In the summer of 2022, the James Webb Space Telescope embarked on its groundbreaking mission, orbiting approximately 1.4 million kilometers away from Earth. As the much-anticipated successor to the legendary Hubble Space Telescope, Webb was designed with the extraordinary ability to search for and capture the oldest light signals in the universe. Many had hoped that this next-generation telescope would allow us to peer deep into space and time, right back to the very beginnings of the universe, revealing the earliest moments following its creation. However, just hours after Webb's first images were revealed, it became clear that the telescope was delivering much more than what scientists had initially expected. Rather than simply glimpsing the early cosmos, the telescope's observations began to challenge long-established beliefs, suggesting that our understanding of the universe might have been incomplete, or even fundamentally incorrect. Amidst all the excitement surrounding Webb's discoveries, one significant finding from early 2022 risked being overshadowed. In March 2022, when no one expected any new major breakthroughs from the aging Hubble Space Telescope, scientists were shocked by an incredible discovery. Hubble captured an image of a star that would later be known as Earendel, the oldest single star ever detected by humanity. In this article, we will explore the stories of the Hubble telescope, the James Webb Space Telescope, and the star Earendel, which comes from the dawn of time itself. But before we delve into the details, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and let us know your opinions. Now, let's journey through the incredible discovery of Earendel, the oldest star ever observed. The remarkable discovery of Earendel, a surprising find while the scientific community eagerly awaited discoveries from the newly launched James Webb Space Telescope. Astronomer Brian Welch from Johns Hopkins University made an astonishing announcement. Using data from the Hubble Space Telescope, researchers had identified the oldest single star ever discovered. Initially given the rather technical designation WHLO137LS, this ancient star soon became known by a more evocative name, Earendel. The name, Earendel, originates from Old English and means morning star, or rising light. For those familiar with J.R.R. Tolkien's famous novels, this name may sound familiar. Tolkien used it in his stories to describe the morning and evening star whose light grants immortality to the elves. This celestial body, with its mystical name, seems to capture the mystery of the universe's earliest stars. Scientists have since determined that Earendel is approximately 12.9 billion years old, which means this star existed around 900 million years after the Big Bang, an astonishingly early period in the universe's history. Initially, researchers believed that Earendel was one of the very first individual stars to form after the universe's dark ages, a time when the universe was still in its early stages of evolution. Its light only became visible to us due to a phenomenon called gravitational lensing. This effect occurs when the gravity of a massive object, such as a galaxy cluster, bends and magnifies the light of objects behind it. In this case, the galaxy cluster WHLO137LS acted like a cosmic magnifying glass, amplifying Earendel's light to such an extent that it became visible across the vast expanse of space. Without this phenomenon, Earendel would have remained hidden from view, invisible to even our most powerful telescopes. Webb's revolutionary observations, a new perspective on the cosmos. The James Webb Space Telescope has fundamentally changed our understanding of the universe. Since its launch, Webb's deep-field images have uncovered an unprecedented number of ancient galaxies, many of which are older than previously thought possible. These findings have led astronomers to question long-accepted theories, including the widely accepted Big Bang theory. If the Big Bang did happen, it seems increasingly likely that it may not have occurred 13.8 billion years ago, as has been traditionally believed. Webb's discoveries haven't just shown us galaxies we didn't expect to find, they've also provided a clearer and more detailed view of Earendel, the ancient star Hubble first discovered. In Webb's deep field image, Earendel appears as a tiny, faint point of light, positioned at the edge of a galaxy that has been nicknamed the Sunrise Arc. Nearby, younger stars shine much more brightly, but Earendil's ancient light holds significant importance. Webb's observations have allowed scientists to better understand Earendil's characteristics. Based on the data, researchers now believe that Earendil was most likely a blue giant star with a mass somewhere between 50 and 100 times that of our Sun. These massive blue giant stars burn very hot and live very short lives in cosmic terms. Sadly, it's highly probable that Earendil no longer exists today, as the lifespans of such stars are usually less than 4 billion years. Even if the star had survived until now, it would be located around 28 billion light-years away due to the continual expansion of the universe. Not even the advanced capabilities of the James Webb Space Telescope would be able to detect it at such a staggering distance. Earendil's legacy. Rethinking the age of the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope has already uncovered galaxies that are older than Earendil, forcing astronomers to rethink everything we once believed about the age and origins of the universe. These ancient galaxies, which existed 13.6 billion years ago, just 200 million years after the Big Bang, present an enormous challenge to current models of how the universe evolved. These galaxies are not only incredibly bright but also unusually massive for their age, contradicting the idea that the early universe consisted solely of individual stars. As a result, Earendil's place as a star from the dawn of the cosmos is being re-evaluated. While it remains one of the oldest stars ever observed, its role in the broader story of the universe's formation is now being seen in a new light. Though we are not yet able to detect individual stars in these ancient galaxies, future observations by Webb, combined with the gravitational lensing effect, may one day reveal even older stars. The universe is vast, and we've only scratched the surface of its mysteries. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the nature of existence and our place within it. Now, we want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on Earendil's discovery and the latest revelations from the James Webb Space Telescope? Do you believe Earendil was truly a star from the early universe, or do you think our current understanding of the universe's age needs to be reconsidered? We greatly value your insights and would love to hear your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. If you've subscribed to our channel, don't forget to mention that we love hearing from our dedicated viewers. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey of discovery.